Have you ever wondered how archaeologists excavate units? Well, this video is going to go through exactly what you need to know and what you need. The first thing that you need, the most important thing that you need, is your trowel. This is your tool. Other tools that can be used as well are hand picks and shovels. However, this is your main tool. So when excavating, you're going to use this part of the trowel, the sharp part. You are not going to be using the end of your shovel, because with the sharp part, you're going to be scraping the dirt towards you. And you're going to be scraping like you would scraping a cake. If you think about a cake, you're going to be scraping those layers off. You're not going to be digging into the cake. You're not going to be digging into the dirt with the point of your trowel. Always push it or pulling the dirt towards you. We want to keep our units clean. That means that while you're bringing your dirt toward you, you're putting it in your dustpan, then you're putting it in the bucket, and it goes down to the screens and it's screened, and the screeners are finding any type of material that was not found in the excavation. Also, if you're working in a unit with other students, you want to make sure you're cleaned up and they're cleaned up in the unit so you know exactly what you're looking at. If you have soil that's very hard and you don't see any type of artifacts, go ahead, use the spade, use that big pickaxe and whack into the soil. One thing that we highly suggest is that you never have anybody else in the unit when you're doing that. You don't want to hurt somebody. A shovel is a bigger version of a trowel. Again, if you're not finding cultural material, you're needing to get dirt out of the unit quickly, a shovel is an excellent tool. It's very important that you keep your walls straight, your floor straight, the strings around the unit taut. And the reason why we do this is we want to preserve the cultural context or the archaeological context of the material. It's kind of like a big giant puzzle or three-dimensional puzzle as we're taking out these artifacts. They all fit together in this big giant grid. Another thing to remember is, because we're being precise, keep your corners at 90-degree angles. All right, so I know I'm sounding like a drill sergeant. However, it's really important to be as precise and clean as possible when excavating. So I hope today that you've learned a little bit more about how archaeologists excavate units.